Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I teach you how to do your makeup as if you were my little sister. So today I thought I'd show you this look, which is supposed to be the trending low contrast viral makeup. And if you're interested in achieving this look, just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and let me know if you're more of a low, medium, or high contrast girl. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline Instant Perfector 4-in-1 Glow instead of using my usual high coverage foundation. Because this is all about being clean girl, low contrast, makeup, no makeup kind of look. Remember to take your time blending, because the whole point of low contrast is for you to be able to even out your skin tone and look put together without looking like you have too much makeup on or even any makeup at all. So ditch all your high coverage foundations, heavy concealers, and just go for any skin tints or any glow perfectors. Okay, now you're gonna go with your cream contour. This is just to accentuate certain features of your face. Usually for this, it's best if you use a bronzer rather than a contour. I always use a bronzer. I never use contour, so I'm just using my regular bronzer. Here's why you don't want to add too much, because you will set all of these creams with powder and they will accentuate the creams underneath. If you use too much of your cream products, it will look really heavy. Now for blush, again, the same thing. You don't want to add too much. You want it to look like you have rosy cheeks without looking like you got hit in the face. Now you're gonna go with your favorite concealer. Don't go ham on it. Less is more. And that is also why you add concealer after you've added your blush. That way you won't need to add so much blush. Because this way you can control how much pigment you have on your face. See how you don't look like you have any makeup on, but you still look like you have rosy cheeks and defined cheeks? Low contrast. Go with your compact powder. I like to go in with a small brush, and you're only going to apply this in the areas where you want to look airbrushed. If you want to look at airbrushed everywhere, maybe go with the bigger brush. I'm only going to add this underneath my eyes. This will make your under eye look even more flawless. See the difference? Now, like I said, you're gonna go over every single cream product. So you're gonna go in with your powder bronzer, and you're gonna tap it over the places where you've had your cream bronzer. This is just going to intensify the color. I know there's never too much blush, but do not go ham on this, because you want to look clean girl, remember? Grab any palette that you want. I'm gonna pick the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes The Neutrals. Grab a fluffy brush. So you're gonna pick your transition shade. I'm gonna pick this one and that one. So I'm gonna mix these two together. And you're gonna put it all in your crease. And blend it a little bit into your brow bone. Just like that. See how it accentuates my eyes rather than not having anything at all? All that it is you accentuating certain features of your face. But I'm just going to add a matte lighter shade on my eyelid. Now you can add eyeliner to your waterline. See? And just like that, you've achieved your low contrast makeup look. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias. They're linked down in the description. Give this video a like if you want more videos like this one. And don't forget to subscribe.